Hey guys, step one. We start with the most easy one out of the four. 1, 2, 3. Turn a little bit diagonally towards the left. 4, 5. Down with the knees. 6, you turn. 7, 8. Kick up and back to your basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, a little bit more difficult. Basic, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross behind on 1, step to the side on 2, and you turn a little bit more. 3 on the spot, 4 you take out your foot. And you're a little bit in a diagonal from your straight position. You repeat with the opposite, cross behind, step to the side, put together, spit out the foot. Last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, together, 8. Here you can play with the timing forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, turn your body forward as you go back. 5, 6, little styling with shoulders. And 1, 2, 3. Next one. This is my favorite. Let me know down in the comment which one of these 4 is your favorite. A little bit of more footwork. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to the left, step to the right, back, heel, touch. Back, heel, touch. And 1, 2, behind heel toe. So the heel toe is in double speed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then with the right foot, 5, 6, behind 1, 7, and 8. Beginning, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you can spin around the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Let's continue. Probably the most easy looking step, but a little bit harder if we give it a try with nice styling. Let's go, our last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now on the 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get a diagonal at 2 o'clock from your 12. And you're gonna step left, right, 1, 2, so you're crossing in the front. 3, you step with the foot, and now you do the triple tum-tum, ta-da-boom. So this is 1 beat, 2 steps, pam pam. Take it from the basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn diagonal, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now as we go back, we're gonna start turning our body, but first, step 5, bring it around. Just bringing it around like that is not enough. You wanna kick out, and turn your body to step, just like we did with the right back, but we're gonna do it here. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. Play with your shoulders and good styling always. See you on the next video.